Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iMovie version and the clip properties. This matters because export options match source attributes. Once done, import your footage and check resolution and frame rate in the info panel so you avoid upscaling. Then create a new project and place clips on the timeline. Make quick trims to set your final duration. You're starting with correct media, so later quality choices align with the original file. This reduces artifacts and unexpected resizes. Next, set the project aspect ratio and make final edits. Stabilize shaky clips, correct color, and apply sharpness sparingly because those affect perceived quality. Make sure the project matches your desired output resolution to avoid re-rendering at the wrong size. Once edits are locked, choose File, then Share, then File to open export options. In that dialog, you'll pick resolution, quality presets, and compression. These are the levers that control final file size and visual fidelity, so balance them deliberately. Finally, pick the exact export resolution, 720p, 1080p, or 4K, and choose quality, low, medium, high, or best. Best preserves detail but increases size. Select fast or better compression depending on time versus fidelity, then export and check the file's properties to ensure the resolution and bitrate match expectations. If you see blockiness or blurry output, re-export with a higher quality setting or match the original frame rate. If problems persist, update iMovie.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.